So yeah, I'm doing some gardening out here and digging around, and then it's always dangerous when you're digging around and stuff. You find little critters like this guy. You don't want to hurt him or anything. Look at his tail. It's pretty cool, huh? Yeah. I don't want to fall. Sorry. Some kind of salamander. He's almost the length of my forearm. Pretty big guy. Or girl. Whatever you are. Amphibian. I'm not going to check or anything because I'm not a freak. But hey, let me let you go over here. Someplace where I'm not going to be digging around, at least for a while. Okay. In the forest. How about he was over there in some sword ferns, so how about like somewhere in here? Is that good? Yeah? You have a buddy over there? You'd probably be alright. There's probably more guys, there's more people like you over here, right? So yeah. Anyhow. Pretty cool. Okay, look, critters of the forest. So anyway, I'm out here whacking the ivy away from the trees and everything. And I've never seen these before, but there's another one. This guy. It's like rotten now, but it's hard though, you know. I've never seen one of these that's like hard, or even this species at all. I don't even know what it is. Maybe somebody can tell me what it is. There's another one in there. Actually, there's two more. There's two more. See, it's hard. I don't know what it is. Can't even see it. Underneath. Not really any light up there. Oh, there's another one. Oh, this one broke right off. Must mean it's for me. A gift. A gift for me. What is it? Some kind of... I mean, if I was gonna guess, like, I literally have no clue what this thing is. But, you know, I wouldn't even know. I don't even know what it is. Some kind of polypore, right? I mean, some kind of shelf mushroom, but it's not like any of the ones I've seen. It reminds me of one of those medicinal ones that I've heard about. I've heard about these things growing out here. So yeah, if anybody knows what this is, let me know, okay? Thanks.